Hello everybody, welcome to Insidious Nixies. It's been a while, an extra couple of weeks, but Pete was thinking, making up his mind about things. Oh, he's trying to unlock the camera now. Come on. Oh, I'm sorry, Yuri, I broke your clock, honey. I smacked these two tubes against those two bars. Clock's perfect, I just need to change those two tubes. But it's funny how things work out. Yeah, on the web, and you're looking at things, you broke that, and then a lovely person says, "Have a Nixie day." Thanks, BJ. And then something rocks up in the mail, and that's from Yuri. And I thought, oh, hang on, let's get this better adjusted for us all. We'll go down here. Get it up there. Come on, Pete, you got a heap of things to talk about. A lovely clock to show. There we go. We're in focus. All right, there we go. First off, guys, this has been drawn very soon. Come on, you have to leave a message in the messages saying you want to be in it, and I'll throw you in the Nixie competition, all right? Because Christmas is coming. Yes, it's only 4 or so months away, and I want this in someone's hands. Okay, remember that was given back to me? Oh, I've had beautiful use out of it for a year. Oh, please, is that recording? Oh, yes. And we've found a developer. We won't talk about him too much because we shouldn't talk about other people's business when they're developing. But we'll call him Mr. D. And we'll put a little S there because I know he's only going to enter so he can give it to his son or sister or daughter. Alright, we've got I've got 5 entrants. Guys, it's going in the next couple of weeks because I want it there for Christmas. And if you're buying anything for Christmas, do it now! Because you need to send it very early. Why? Because 8 months was my record for mail. This one here, guys, I bought in 2020 in April. That is 15 months old. And the amount of plastic that the... Oh, hang on. Can I go a little bit higher? There we go. Oh, we're going to have a tragedy. I've got 2 adjustments now. Sorry, guys. I'm not very professional, am I? Come on, Pete. There we go. Get up a little bit higher so these people can see it a bit better. Here we go. Alright, it's flipped around on me. How's that look, guys? Alright, yep, 15 months old, and a bad thing about it was, after 15 months it was only worth $25. It was something for Def Pom actually, because he liked cats. And the pity is, it doesn't work. No. There we go. If you saw that lit up, it looks beautiful, and I've got to go like that for it to light up. Yeah, it's got its own resistor and it is 240 volt. 15 months and it didn't work. What a bummer. Oh, I thought it was the binary clock, guys. Yeah, but anyway, I'll just throw that in there for there to there and throw it on my bed. We got things to do. We got Monjibox's beautiful clock to undo. God, are you getting a good... I need to come out more so I can... There we go. This is how we do it, Peter. You know, if you're organised, this will all be done before. There we go. That looks a bit better, doesn't it? There we go. That beautiful N16 clock in the corner for Mr. Developer. You've picked a good tube, mate. I've got some lovely things going to you Friday, which will be express, because that's how I get my free mail. This lovely lady that I mail, Pam. I've said your name, Pam. Yeah, bad luck. She mails about $2,000 worth of pottery, and she gives me the extras, so I can send your Insidious Nixie survival package to you this Friday, and it will only take a week or so. So it'll still be quicker than if I sent it normal mail last week. Okay. So glad that you said yes, mate. I've got some beautiful little things to send you. Pins for your adapters, some tubes that I want you to go towards. I know you like the N16s, but trust me, don't buy any tubes. Don't buy anything until you get this package. Thanks, mate. And I didn't know that you had patronage because I watch YouTube through the TV. Yeah, anyway, so I never saw that you had patronage. Let's just quickly talk about Yuri because this has got to do with him. Arrived on the same day, guys, that I broke the clock. Oh, terrible. It was, I thought, what timing is this? I've started video again, guys. I hope that this... I'll just mail it together. Yeah, I noticed that it stopped. Yes, so Yuri's little gift started. And this is another guilty thing, guys. I got this for $21. And then I saw the next one she was selling for was $121. Hope you didn't make a mistake on the price, Yuri. I feel very guilty. But this will be going to a developer. I couldn't believe the odds of this rocking up on the day. Because I think it would be best in his hands. Are you opening it the right way, Peter? No, you're not. Come on, be quick. You've got to do Monjibox's beautiful clock, which you can get your hands on. I'll be talking about that in a minute. Get out of there. Now, this is actually for developers if they're working on Nixie clocks and they need a stable power supply. That's Yuri Stepful. She's on eBay and she's on YouTube, mate. You can see her using this. And it is a tube-based power, and you feed in within 50 volts, and it gives you a very good stable voltage for you to work on. So you've got an in and an out, controlled by valves. Anyway, you look that up, and that's in your pack of goodies too. I think that will work very well for you, as well as a few other power supplies and some of my treasured little clips. Yes, these ones you can put wires on. They're good. You got the 0.7 ones, the 1 mils, and the ones that will fit for in 16s. Yep, get out of it. Stop ruining his surprise. There's too many things in there. He'll never know. Edmund's beautiful spare chips. No worries. Oh, come on, we better talk about Monjibox's beautiful clock. Now listen, guys. When I got this, I didn't expect to get it. All right. Now, Monjibox was very good to send this to me. It was for the price of the bulbs. And no, Christian, you can't buy it back. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to offer it to you guys for the same price that I bought it. This is a $500 clock, guys. But Monjibox, Christian, as he said, I was the first person that thanked him before before I got the clock. Mate, I was stoked because I love your PJ600, your N16 clock. Mr. Developer, have a look at Monjibox's N16 clock. They're 8 N16s together, and he uses the dots at the bottom to do the, the seconds thing. It's stunning. That's what I want in my collection. So I'll be contacting you, Christian, just before Christmas to order something. I was very glad that you said you had a few display ones. All right, guys, here it is. She's beautiful. You guys will love this. Look at the way it's packed. Stunning. If anyone would say that I'd offer this to other people, but yet, oh, hang on. It's nicer than what I think. I might be keeping it. No, you guys can have it for the same price that I bought, 175 Australian dollars. All right, if you want a $500 clock, Christian won't mind. What a beautiful clock. Oh, it's that iridescent sort of blue. You can't see it. Oh, it's lovely. And it's a single dial. This is something that I'd give to an old person because I know that they could adjust it, like Pavlo's here. Pavlo, your clock was snapped up last thing for the price that I bought it off you for, 80 Australian dollars. Boom, gone. Going to a very happy home. I'm very happy about that. Yeah, guys, have a look at that. Now, I've got the transformer ready. I'm not going to bugger up this time. Stick it in. Oh, sorry about that. Alrighty, there we go. This is Monjibox's clock. Oh, what a beautiful clock. Yeah, guys, see, I'm collecting silver and metal, and that's why I want his, that's out of sight there. That's why I want his N16 clock for my collection. God, that is nice, mate. Oh, yeah, that's so you can get at the bottom for the built-in battery. There we go. We're on. Look at that. Woohoo! What a beautiful clock. Oh, I love your instructions. I love the geek setup too. You've got 2 displays and 2 setups. I like the way you can adjust the time and the date for a different amount of times. In other words, you can have the date showing a lot more if you've got another clock there at the time. Yeah, very easy instructions. He's got 2 menus, one a simple menu just for setting, and then I love this geek mode at the bottom that you can have it going opposite. Anyway, Monjibox, thank you very much for honouring that clock. That's a beautiful clock, and guys, you'd be stupid not to get your hands on it. Otherwise, I'll be sending it to a YouTuber. Hang on, what am I doing? What am I doing? Come on, Pete, get your act together. Here we go. What else have I got to show? See, I'm heading in a direction of sort of not developing and make. Oh, that's lovely. I like the way. Oh yeah. Oh, it's got. You're using the dots at the bottom. Oh, brilliant. I didn't know that. Oh, perfect, mate. That's the way I reckon it goes, that you use the dot for the dots at the bottom in the N14s. A lot of people don't do that. Look at that, guys. That's brilliant. That's what I want the N16 to do. And the N16 one looks so beautiful to me because it's got 8 N16s all together, guys. No spaces. Oh, stunning. Yes. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Get your hands on the latest Monjibox N14. They're $500 clock. You can have it for $175. What Christian sold it to me for. You're a beautiful man, Christian. Appreciate it. And I hope this makes someone's day. Remember, if you're not getting paid until next month or whatever, or talking about not getting paid, Rod, thank you for waiting a week for that $5, mate. You're a lovely man. Here we go. Oh, I'm just entranced with that. I've always wanted a clock that had the dots at the bottom. Stop it, stop it. All right. The offer's there for a couple of weeks, guys. Just stick that at the side. No, I don't want to hit it or anything. Yeah. I'm heading... I'll just quickly show you this box, guys. 53 Australian dollars for this clock box. If any of you guys... Oh, who got the BF clock the other day for... I think it was $164. I hope one of you Americans did. There we go. And I just need to measure... Ooh... Get back up there. What's wrong with you? I haven't tightened you. That's what it is. How about that? There we go. Is that better, guys? Sorry, I'm all over the place today. This box was 56 Australian dollars. What would that be? 35 American. Comes in a flat pack. It's beautiful. It's got a beautiful, you know, that stereo brushed finish. I'll just put that there. This is the 11-inch one, Greg. But as I said, the measurements are weird. That's 10 inches there to there. This here is 11 and a bit. This to this there is 5.5 inches, you know, 13.5, 14 mil. Now imagine that, guys, with 6 in 2s, 3 lots of them with those 3 clocks. So I just got to draw those holes, and I've just got a bit of soldering. That's all I got to do. And I want a wheel clock, and that's what I'm building. 6 there. But imagine if you won something like this, and you just use the plastic front and that, put it on the front. What a beautiful clock it would look. Yeah. Enter my Nixie competition. Alrighty. Yeah, so that was the box, Greg. Alrighty. Yes, what else have we got? What else have we forgotten to talk about, Peter? Delafort 700 clocks he sold, hey? And he's not selling anymore. Oh, well. I thought that was coming on the cards when the Zen 70 showed up at that price. Oh, that's what I'm going to put my Zen 70 on, that Bakelite. If anybody knows what comes in this box, it's still got a vacuum seal. That's that good. I've got one of those little round clocks, guys, that, you know, that I had for the N18s, the single ones, but for a 668 or 568 or 568, you know, the jumbos. I'm going to put it on top of that. Alrighty. Oh, Pete's beautiful clock. Peter, keep doing up the videos, mate, because I'm just starting to get ads now from you guys and these Nixie clocks because you're putting up new things. It's great. The search engines are starting to work. Alrighty. Rod Tar, Monjibox, PV600, I'd like one. 15 months mail. Thank BJ, yeah. I think that's it, guys. Yes, Mr. Developer, I'll have bloody power supplies, all different ones. Oh, about 4 of them coming to you. The compliments of other people. Oh, I'm here too. Greg, this is what a 3B is. It's like a big indicator tube, okay? All right, so I've got one mailbag to do, guys, a big sucker, because I need to clear everything and get up. I'm always 6 months ahead, 6 months behind. Oh, she's lovely, Monjibox. Look at that colour, guys. I'm just not doing it justice, am I? Let's have a look. How much time have we spent? Oh, I can't even see it. 11 minutes, and there's probably 5 minutes on the other tape that I'm going to join. Alrighty, another big thanks to Pavlo. Pavlo asked me what my purpose was. I don't know, Pavlo. More of a blog, mate. I'm not a professional YouTuber, as you could tell. It's basically to get people together, building clocks, you know, if I can show you something that you haven't seen before, head you in the right direction, or just have a yabba yabba, you know what I mean? Yeah. Thanks, Yuri. I hope you didn't price that wrong. You would have had to. There's more than $21 in that. Anyway, it's going to a person, and I'd say if it works out good, he won't mind writing a little write-up, a little paragraph for you or something. In a year or two, when he makes his clocks, he doesn't realise it. He's making a clock like an 8 now on his displays. Mate, 3 little ones. One's a power base that you can put on either clock. You have clock, temp, humidity, fits on a 3 base, just like your little OED instruments. Using N2s. You've got a heap of them coming, mate. All right, my friends. Don't forget your free cup. God, there's about 500 things I've got to say. I'm looking around. I'm looking for things. Broke Yuri's clock. All right, guys. This was just a walk up. A quick yak. For God's sake, leave a message in the things. It's a beautiful clock. A famous English lord said, from England, his name's Richard. He says, you can never have too many Nixie clocks, Peter. No worries, Richard. All right, take care. Get your hands on a beautiful clock, guys. Oh, I'll be sorry to see you go, but I'll love the PJ 600. This is the PJ 700, guys. Yeah, all right. Take care. Wish you happy. Hope your Nixie clocks are nice and bright. And I'll just give this bloke a quick look at these N16s. The N16s, mate, are the only ones that got a little piece at the bottom. And, oh, Jesus Christ, it got me again. Oh, that's its name. Zappy. Ah! I'm sorry, I shouldn't have touched it. Zappy gets you on the ends. Whoo, that got me heart going then. Whew. Yeah, anyway, back to normal. Take care. Be happy. And may your orange shine. Take care.